Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Pam Station, and as you already read the title, today I'm going to share my thoughts, my reviews on some new product which I wanted to try since a long time. And if you have tried this product, that is Sheglam, these are the products which I recently purchased, and it is there in front of me since almost 2 weeks. But I was not well, because I had my second vaccination. Let me know, have you taken your vaccination, both your vaccination or one? Please let me know in the comment section. I will be happy to read it. So I just finished my second vaccination, and oh my god, that was horrible. Like, the symptoms after the second injection or the vaccination was like, the whole day, the whole body pain, fever, headache, and mouth was tasteless. Like, oh my god, I was like feeling as if I am a COVID patient, God forbid. But it is just for one day. Second day I was perfect fit, but little pain is still there. I prefer taking on my left hand because I am right-handed, so I could use my hand at least for my work, even though left hand I was not using much. Now leave that aside. Today I'm going to try on new makeup. I love trying on new makeup, skincare products, hair care products, and share my reviews to you guys. And I'm so happy that you guys like watching my reviews and also use my recommendation. I get a lot of DM in my Instagram as well. So if you unfollow me on Instagram, please do follow me on Instagram. My ID is just 𝗄𝗴cie. I will be sharing the IDs here or in my link in my description box. Please help me grow, guys, on Instagram. Let's build a Pam family there as well. Thank you so much for all your love and support you gave me on my Instagram. And I'll receive messages and wishes as well. It was my birthday on 16. It is my birthday today, so thank you so much for all your wishes on my Instagram. Before I continue talking, let's start with this makeup. I've just applied a lip balm, so let me just moisturize my face and then apply a little foundation. So I'm going to moisturize my face with the Glow recipe, and I'm going to use Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer. If you haven't seen my reel on Instagram, please do check my reviews there. I have used, so you can check out which is the shade. This is in the shade 4N1 Wheat. I'm going to apply this right now and come back. So first thing what I'm going to do is, let's try with the eyebrows, skinny brow pencil, and I have taken in the shade 2 dark brown. So that's how it looks. It is like this, very fine. I have seen similar kind of very fine pencil with Huda Beauty's pencil, and there is a spoolie. Wow, that I like when they have a eyebrow pencil with a spoolie. So purple, mauve, pretty shades. So this is the palette of 9. It has 5 matte and 4 shimmery shades. This is mix of kind of green and purple, so I am excited to try what kind of shade this will turn. So that's in the palette. So each shade is named as, you know, it's named as spaghetti straps, I am outie, millennial pink, tracksuit, crazy in love, petal pusher, girl power, juicy, heartbreaker. So everything is mentioned behind the name of the color. Cute is definitely, their palettes reminds me of ColourPop. So that's one palette. The second palette I have here is, wow, this is, I took a little different. This is in brown and teal, blue, green, brown, golden. This is a different, so I took little different shade than this one. You can see it's little different, so I thought of, you know, I buy two different palettes, so I get almost most of the colors in these two palettes. So this palette is Afterglow. I would definitely recommend to get this one for every day if you're traveling. So just get this palette in your, you know, travel bag and you're sorted. I think I should try something bold. So let's do this. I'm going to just use this, the whole over the lid. try this. Let's see how the swatch is. So it comes into silver and little purple hint. I'll just apply right in the center. Very chunky. That's what it is. It is chunky. So I have used lots of glitter. That's the middle shade. It turned out into a silver and little bit hint of purple. So let's try the lipstick and the lip liner. The lip liner I have in the number 522. 522 Misty Rose is the shade. Oh, this have a sharpener as well. And this is retractable. That's nice. Very pigmented, very creamy. You can wear this lip liner on its own. It is very creamy. This lip liner on its own, it's such a pretty nude rose color. I really love this shade. That is Misty Rose. So definitely this is a go from my end. Now I'll wear the lipstick. This is in the shade Retro Rose 201. Very pigmented. Nice shade. So that's all for my look, and I think I have used most of the product. Let me come to the conclusion what products I recommend and what I don't. I would not recommend the blush and the highlighter. They are not very pigmented on your brush. It will not come at all, but in the fingers it will definitely glide very well. This is very chalky and too much glitter is there. This is it is pigmented but only on your fingers, but when you apply on your skin it does not come at all. Even if you use 2 or 3 layers with your fingers, it will not glide very smoothly. So this doesn't come, looks creamy, looks like a velvety touch, but it does not come on your face at all. So not recommended. I would definitely recommend the lipstick, and I would definitely recommend the lip liner. On its own you can apply the lip liner. Yes, go ahead and buy it. The eyeshadow palette I tried, it is good. Some the matte shades are less pigmented, like you need to use your brush at least 2 or 3 times to get the perfect shade. The shimmeries are nice. This gives the purple, it comes into silver, and it's too much glitter is there, so it is creamy glittery. So on the whole it's good. Palette is also fine, so you can give it a try. Eyeliner, it is amazing. It is smudge proof, I'm sure, and I think this is waterproof as well. Very nice, dark, so it dries off very quickly. So this is going to stay also for a long time. I will definitely use for more times, and I will share you the feedback on my Instagram stories, how long this is going to last. Yes to the eyeliner as well. And the eyebrows, yes, eyebrows also, the pencil point was very nice. It creamy and it is less pigmented. That's what it should be, so it will stay for a long time. I could really create each strokes of my eyebrows as well. So yes to the eyebrow pencil as well. So these are the products which I have tried from Sheglam. So all the product links and the shades I'm going to share in my description box below. If in case guys, if you're interested to buy any of these products, please do check out the links in my description box below, and please do subscribe my channel if you watch this video till the end. It will really help my channel grow. And also you can follow my Instagram page. It's just chill with Pam. Let's be friends there as well. Don't forget to hit like and share this video to all your friends and family. Let me know how is this new look which I have created. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye.